Hi guys, this is Will from CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. We've had a number of calls today from a few clients saying that they've got this weird 3 virus thing on their computer, possibly more, but so far the ones that are calling us saying that they have this flash up message saying 3 viruses have been detected. And they're saying it says Microsoft, and it's not. I'm just telling you now, it's not. It's a complete scam. Even if you've got antivirus on your machine, which you certainly should have, it's just a animation. It's not actually a real virus, and what it's going to do is prompt you to put your credit card details in and the usual jargon and things like that to make you scared and put those details in. What they'll do is they'll charge you for technically a free antivirus program, and then they'll have all your credit card or bank card details. So of course, please don't fall for it. I'll flash up some of the images of what it looks like or possibly looks like, and it's coming up with My Secure PC 2018 or possibly My PC Repair 2018, saying that you've got a virus or 3 viruses or more on your computer, and it'll probably be on a Microsoft site. What it is, the chances are you've actually downloaded something recently and it's attached itself to it, and like I say, it's just an animation. Please don't fall for it. Share this with your friends. Please like us on Facebook, CTA Systems, so facebook.com/CTA Systems. If you're worried about this problem, or you're worried that you may not have an up-to-date virus program, please get in touch with us on ctasystems.com or 0333 241 2336. And like I say, like us on Facebook, and that's my message for today. And following are the images of this so-called antivirus checker. Have a great day. See you later.